Hi, and welcome back to ParTAG, the place to rent your fun. This short tutorial describes what steps to take when you, the rental business, meet with the renter to hand over the item. From your reservations module, select the reservation for the item you're delivering. This brings up a copy of the approved reservation. Scroll down to select Start Rental. The binding rental agreement between you and the renter will be displayed. Agree to the legal terms and provide any other written requirements to the renter as you see fit. Next is the financial summary. It's a good idea to see the renter's photo ID and credit card before completing your transaction. Confirm the details by selecting I agree. The renter will now receive the same legally binding rental agreement and financial summary on his or her app, which will arrive in the notifications inbox. Once all the agreements are in place, you and the renter will see the exchange recorded in your respective libraries. Now the renter can enjoy. Play our next tutorial for the steps in closing out your rental. Thanks for using ParTAG.